next up at Deep Waters for Artisan, check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now Control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to eliminate the gang leader in Blue Lagoon and, of course, get rid of 20 goons in the area. Getting rid of the 20 enemies should be simple enough, and while you're doing that, you should easily find the leader. There's a few places that he can spawn. Zooming into Blue Lagoon in the southeast side. Usually I've seen him around this back area here. I'm pretty sure this is his house, but I've also seen him wandering around in this parking lot area here. It really just depends where he's decided to wander off to, and if you're the first one coming here in a while, I'm pretty sure he usually spawns down here. I don't think he'll be around this back area where the tent and house is. It'll mainly be inside of this main area here. Anyways, heading in here, let's do it. Good luck. All right, so coming over here, we'll approach it from the east, and assuming it's daytime, they're probably going to spot you pretty easily. If it's nighttime, you're probably going to have a bit better luck. Either way, there are a lot of things and people you need to deal with. So for now, we'll just clear it out from as far away as we can and slowly push our way in. That's probably the best idea. There is only 2 entrances, the one around the front here, and there's another entrance around the side walls somewhere down here, maybe a bit further up. Also careful if you enter this river to the west of it, as I've broken my legs quite a few times here in the previous updates. There's 3 down already, or outside in the bush to the left of Blue Lagoon. You'll also find a few more goons walking around the back here. And in this general direction, you should find a hole in the wall down here if you wish to use the side entrance. Also, it's a good idea to check every one of these bodies, as you will need lots of keys for this area. Nice. We're slowly clearing this place out, although the amount of bushes are definitely making this difficult. And there we go down, making our way back. And now that it's technically past 10 in-game, the bot should be mostly clueless, at least until I shoot first. Essentially, down this back area here is usually where we'll find the boss. There we go, clearing things out a bit more gingerly. Coming back a third and hopefully final time. Grabbing all of our stuff again. There we go, we managed to clear out 20 members here, pushing up towards this western bit where we thought he'd be originally. He'll probably be somewhere here. So usually inside of one of these houses, you'll find the boss if he's not wandering around. Probably this middle house at the back here. So not this, but this one here. So passing all of these smaller houses, usually with a guard or 2 inside, we make our way to this back area here, and that was him right inside of this final house here. There's one more wandering around, I think, so I'll still be a bit quiet, and of course we'll still check for keys. So getting a closer look at this dude, this is what he looks like. He's a little bit different to the other enemies in the area. He's not wearing sunglasses for one, and he's got a different weapon. That's it, nothing crazy on him. Besides maybe the gun itself, maybe you want it, maybe not, and there's a bit more loot inside this house, maybe worthwhile grabbing. And there's definitely still a bot wandering around the back here. He's taunting me. Anyways, grabbing the last of the food and loot from here, we can head out and straight back to base. We can handle this quest. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.